Hi, have you ever reached a point in life where you felt, I need a fresh start? Maybe everything looks fine from outside. You are working, you are completing responsibility, you are managing daily life, but somewhere inside you feel something is missing. Your energy is low, your focus is unclear, your motivation is disappearing, and you start thinking, how can I restart my life? The good news is you don't need to change everything overnight. You don't need to completely rebuild your life in one day. Sometimes you just need a restart, a pause, a reflection, a new direction. Because a life is not about never getting lost. Life is about knowing how to find your way back. And today's episode is about how to reset life and start again with clarity and confidence. Welcome to the Success and Growth Show. I'm Dilip Patil. Every week we discuss practical lessons from life, career, personal growth, and success that help us become better version of ourselves. This show is not about overnight success. It is about small improvement, better decision, and consistent growth. So if you feel that you need a fresh beginning, if you feel stuck, or if you simply want to restart with your more clarity, this episode is for you. Let us begin. When I think about the word reset, I don't think about changing everything. I think about small moments in life where we make a conscious decision. Now, I need to move forward differently. I experienced many such moments in my own journey. Coming from a small, simple background, studying in Hindi medium, facing financial challenges, working hard to build my career, there were many situations where life did not go according to my plan. There were disappointments, there were uncertainties, there were moments where I had to ask myself, what should I do next? But I learned one important lesson. A setback does not mean your life is over. It simply means you need a new approach. When I entered the IT industry, when I started writing books, when I started creating videos and podcasts, every new journey required a reset. I had to learn new skills. I had to overcome fear. I had to become a beginner again. And that taught me something powerful. You don't reset your life because you failed. You reset your life because you want to grow. So, the question is, how do we actually reset our life? Let us discuss three important steps. Step 1, reset your mindset. The first reset is not external, it is internal. Before changing your situation, you need to change your thinking. Many people carry old belief. I am too old to start. I missed my opportunity. I cannot change now. My past defines me. But these thoughts keep you trapped. Your past or your past is a teacher. It is not your identity. Every morning gives you a new opportunity. Every day gives you a chance to make a better decision. A reset begins when you stop asking, why did this happen to me? And start asking, what can I learn from this? That one question changes everything. After resetting your mindset, the next step is equally important. Step 2, reset your priorities. Many people feel exhausted because they are carrying too many things, too many commitments, too many distractions, too many unnecessary worries. Sometimes life does not need more addition, it needs subsection. Ask yourself, what is truly important, what deserves my time, what is draining my energy, what should I stop doing. A simple life is not an empty life. A simple life is a focused life. Successful people understand one thing: your energy is limited, so protect it. Spend it on things that move you forward. Let me share you an example. Think about your mobile phone. When too many applications run in the background, the battery drains quickly. Your life works the same way. Too many unnecessary thoughts, too many directions, too many priorities, they drain your mental energy. A reset means closing unnecessary applications of your mind and focusing on what truly matters. Now comes the third and most important step, because thinking alone does not change life, action does. Step 3: reset your daily habits. Your life is created by your daily habits, not by occasional big decision. If you want a better life, start with better daily actions. Maybe wake up 30 minutes early, read 10 pages, walk for 20 minutes, spend less time scrolling, write your goals, practice a skill. Small habits create big transformation. I have experienced this personally. My writing journey did not start with writing hundreds of books. It started with writing one page. My speaking journey did not start with confidence. It started with one speech. My YouTube journey did not start with thousands of viewers. It started with one video. Every big transformation begins with one small action. My dear friends, if you are enjoying this episode, I request you to support the Success and Growth Show. Please like this episode, subscribe to the channel, and share this message with someone who may need a fresh start. Sometimes one simple message can help someone begin again. Now, let me give you a simple life reset framework that you can start today. The 7-day life reset challenge. For the next 7 days, follow these 4 simple steps. Day 1, reflect. Write what is working in my life, what needs improvement. Day 2, remove one direction, one habit, one unnecessary commitment. Day 3, rebuild. Create one positive habit. Day 4 to day 7, repeat the same cycle. Continue the habit, build consistency, because change does not come from one powerful day. It comes from repeated small action. So my dear friends, if you feel your life is not going in the right direction, remember this: you are not starting from zero, you are starting from experience. Everything you learn, everything you faced, everything you overcome has prepared you for the next chapter. A reset is not about becoming a different person. It is about becoming a better version of yourself. You don't need a perfect life. You need a meaningful direction. You don't need to change everything today. You need to change one thing today, because one small decision can create a completely different future. Thank you. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Success and Growth Show. Remember, success is not created by one big moment. It is created by small improvements, repeated consistently. Keep learning, keep growing, keep improving. And whenever life feels difficult, remember, you always have the power to reset, restart, and rebuild. This is Dilip Patil signing off. I will see you in the next episode. Until then, take care of yourself, stay focused, and keep moving forward. Thank you.